YouTube family, what's going on? Welcome back for another video. You know, today we doing something that I have never done, never thought about doing, but I got a new product I'm putting in on the RAM. I haven't did anything to it within some months, really. So I've seen this new product kind of drop, and I haven't seen nobody with it, so it caught my attention because everybody know. If you know me, you know me. Like I love to put clears in something. So today, the truck finna get a new facelift, I should say. So let me go ahead and show y'all the product and quit all this talking. All right, so there it is. I have new tail lights that I'm about to install on my truck. These are the LED ones. They are the clear housing ones. Like I said, I haven't seen nobody with this truck do it, so it caught my attention. Like, yo, they clear. Like, clear. If you have anything clear, you already got me sold. So, you know, clear tail lights for the win, clear headlights for the win, clear everything for the win. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in. But before we put them in, we're gonna talk about it a little bit. So these I did get off eBay. They were $129. Like I said, $129 clear headlights. I mean clear LED tail lights. Not really too much more to say. You know, they fit from 2002 to 2006 before they switched up the tail light on 2007. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install these bad boys and go from there. Alright guys, so this right here is the old one. It's real easy to install also. It's just 2 bolts on it right here. There's one right there and one right there, but there's one missing, so obviously I'm gonna put one in there. But then it's 2 on this side, one right there, one right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get these out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the final process of it. So All right, so boom, we got them in. Boom. Probably gonna miss the old style, but we all clear around here. So let me go ahead and turn them on, see how they look. Turn the truck on. All right, y'all. So that's how the update go. Not update thing. That's how the install go. 2 screws on the sides, and then you just unplug the connector. But make sure you take the lock off on the connector because it has a little red lock on there. I probably should have recorded it to show y'all, but you will see once you take it off, if you take it off, because it really is just one thing that will hold it on, and it's red, so it sticks out on the top of the push clip. So, but yeah, I'll look at it. I'm liking the new look though, man. Like, all I need now is some wheels, change the gearing. I'm gonna turn that into my project. That's what I'm gonna turn into my project, because a lot of folks want to see the truck built up and done right. And when I say built up, I mean like small things like I said, gearing. I kind of want to put not long too shorty headers on it. Windshield. Just rebuild everything really. The Z is still sitting right here. I'm really on the fence of selling it because adulting. So, but yeah, the Z still sitting here. Just sitting there. But an update is if I do decide to keep it, I bought a motor. Let me show y'all that motor. Gen 453 LS. Let me, in case y'all think I'm finessing. You see that? 4853. But it's a 53, it's not a 48, so we're not gonna get into that. But yeah, so I do have some stuff to do, but right now I'm not really looking looking per se to actually go ahead and do things to the Z. I am, but I'm not, because like I just said, adulting. So the dude I sold it to said that he would probably buy it back, so we're gonna see if he buy it back. If he don't buy it back, then we're gonna go ahead and build it, but yeah, we ain't even worry about it right now. This truck looking real good. Real good. Real good. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. If anything you want to see, any modifications you might have in mind, go ahead and drop that in the comments. Don't say rock lights, because I have rock lights. I just haven't installed them. I drilled them out and everything, but still having that problem as of to how I'm gonna run the wires in the back, because it's the back. Really, the back to me seemed like the hardest part, because it don't have anything covering it to show you, like, okay, here you can plug this, you can put this in right here, you can run the wire in through here. So that's my hardest thing about it right now. So other than that though, drop down what you want to see done to the truck, or any comments that advice or anything you might feel like would be best for it. Go ahead and drop that down in the comments. But on that note, I'm out. Peace.